again, and welcome back to the beach. Today, spring is in the air. Well, it is for most of the country. Some of my friends, they're still getting snow. It's like May. Come on, Mother Nature, what are you, bipolar? Anyway, I digress. So, people are starting to garden. People are seeing the crocus come up from the bulbs in the ground. Okay, personally, I don't like to live where the air hurts my face, all right? I go to the snow, I play in it, then I go home where it isn't, all right? But that's just me. But anyway, so spring is in the air, stuff is growing, people are starting to garden. Yard signs, they're super duper fun, whether it's for your vegetable garden, your rose garden, your flower garden. Here in Vegas, we've got some beautiful cactus and succulent out front. And for me, I'm a frog person. Always been a frog person, but that's another story for another time. So what we're going to do today is a frog crossing sign that I'm going to put in one of my pots out front. I won't see any frogs, but it's fun for people to see anyway. So we're starting with a Unisub blank. Unisub makes these great aluminum blanks. This is the oval one. They make them square, they make them round. So you can do whatever your little heart desires. You can download the templates typically from the vendor you buy them from, or it's on the Unisub website as well. All right, one side is aluminum, one side is white gloss. That's the one we're gonna sub on, okay? So, frog crossing with my little frog prints, all right? Once again, you get to see the back of my head. Tell me how you like the back of my hair so I can tell my hairdresser, okay? Just put it in the comments below. Seriously. So we tape it down with our trusty heat tape. And it's gonna cook for about 60 seconds or so. Now, always go to the website, find out what the time and temperature is, because not all substrates or textiles have the same time or temperature. Harder substrates like this typically take a little bit longer because of the coating. The coating is thicker, and you want to make sure that the ink, when it turns into a gas and it bonds with the layer, since that layer is a little bit thicker, it takes a little bit more time to get in there. A little more pressure, a little more time. With textiles, doesn't need as long. I mean, you can get by with 45 seconds, easy. So for instance, when I sublimate socks, like no-show socks, or crew socks, I've done a ton of socks, like for my kids' lacrosse teams. Those only take like 45 seconds because of the polyester fibers in here. Doesn't take as long for the ink, when it turns into a gas, to get in there, all right? So we've got about 30 seconds left on the yard sign. One thing that I wish you would do for me, share my channel with your friends, because the more people, the more subscribers I get, the more fun we can have, the more vendors I get coupon codes from, and I share them with you. So we help each other out, right? Help me help you. Don't tell Tom Cruise I said that. All right, we have about 8 seconds left, and this is going to be beautiful, gorgeous. Ask me, I'll tell ya. All right, take my top sheet off. Whoo! It's hot. All right. Now, especially since this sign is metal, use your gloves, people. I love him. I love him. Okay, here we have frog crossing. I got my frog prints. This is going to go outside in one of my cactus pots, and I'll take a picture and put it on the video at the end. So anyway, these things, super easy to do. Go get some from your favorite distributor and come back and see us next week, because it's always better at the beach.